up for some reason. But before I get into it, I gotta make sure my gas is filled. So that's what I'm doing first. Gotta make sure I get that receipt so I can scan it into my Get Upside app and get some money back. So before we get into the deliveries, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. That's what I need to get for my car, you guys, just to carry around a all-day supply of coffee. Alright, so now that my car is fueled and I'm getting fueled, today's video is going to be a Uber Eats delivery video, but there's a twist. I'm going to accept every single order, just like the title says, you guys. So every $3 order, every $250 order. I had a order come through the other day. It was $268. I think I showed you guys, and I was laughing. I was like, there's no way, like, y'all, you got the wrong girl. But I want to test this theory that maybe some customers are tipping afterwards, or maybe they're gonna tip me cash. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. My husband works a little later, so that I was able to come out and get some deliveries in this morning, and I'm actually pretty excited about it because I won't have time later. I was getting my oil change yesterday, and I show them my rideshare app. Like, they want to see the profile, and you get like 20% off. So make sure you're doing that every time. When I opened up my app to show them, I also seen a quest going on. I was like, oh, let me check out the quest while I'm sitting here, you know, while they're doing my oil. And then this popped up. Complete one more trip to make $5 extra. Alright, we are logged in, and I'm in a good area right here, so I'm just gonna sit and wait. It is 9:49, almost 10 o'clock. And yeah, I'm actually excited to do this because I won't have to like look determined from the miles or the time to determine if I'm gonna accept the order. I'm just going to accept it, but I gotta make sure I show you guys before I accept it. Y'all, it is 10:20 now. I sat for 32 minutes, and I did drive across the street. There is a IHOP right here. There is a Chick-fil-A right there. Jimmy John's is not open yet. But you guys, I am waiting so long for this order. Normally, like on a Sunday, I had already delivered my first order, waiting on my second. This sucks. This really sucks. Finally got an order, you guys. I started driving. Alright, I got the order. It's in a really big bag that doesn't fit in my hot bag. And they are 8 minutes away, 4 miles. So it popped up that I got the extra $5. Then it popped up what I actually made from this. The base pay on this order was $3.20. So now it's $8.20 because it added it all together. So that'll be another almost $6. And I will be at $14. It's 10:50 right now. So technically I've been on the clock for an hour, and I made $14 in my first hour. But that whole $14 was on one delivery. Alright, we got another order. 6:19, 14 minutes. It's only 1.9 miles.
Head to your pickup at Chick-fil-A, 1504 Brandon Boulevard.
Chick-fil, okay, so Chick-fil is right there. Alright, after I took that clip of the little room being empty, 4 other drivers came and got in there. But I got the order. I'm not even putting it in the bag because
right turn on
it's 1.9 miles and it'll be fine right there where it is. $2.50 order. The GPS took me to the emergency room, and the valet guy, he said I could sit there for a minute. So I messaged her. I said, I'm here. She said, are you outside of Tower A? And I said, no, I'm at the GPS took me to the emergency room. She said, can you drive around to Tower A? So I said, yes, of course, I'll come find it, is what I said. And I wasn't sure if it was like to the left or to the right. So I did find it, and she did come out and grab it. They gave me a straw and no drink. So I was like, did you order a drink? And she's like, no, there's no drink with my order. But y'all, they gave me a straw with her order, which was really weird. The sticker was holding it in the bag. I don't know. But I found her. It was a $2.50 order. Like from Chick-fil-A to the hospital. It was under 2 miles. But like, I'm glad there was a tip with that one, and I already know there was a tip with that one. So it was like a $6 order. It is 11:35, y'all. 10:50, 17 minutes and 1.7 miles. It's another Chick-fil-A order, which I came back to Chick-fil-A anyways because it was the closest restaurant area. But $10. These people are tipping high. I might not even get a $3 order, you guys. All right, I'm at Chick-fil-A, and I just wanted to see this order. If you push that, it shows you all the items. This has 1 drink, 2 drink, 3 drink. Oh, there's more. 4 drinks. Oh my. 5 drinks. 6 drinks. 7, oh my god, there's more. 8, no way. 10 drinks. That's why there's such a high tip, because this is for a lot of people. Alright, the girl helped me. Thankfully, I mean, I assumed somebody would help me, but she came out. She's like, I'm gonna hold all these. You hold this. So I got 3 big bags of food back there, and then the 10 drinks right here. I really like picking up from Chick-fil-A. They're really helpful. 1.7 miles in 4 minutes. Oh my gosh, okay. I got back to my car before I could even put this as delivered, and I got that next order. So this next order is with the card, which is okay, I have the card. But I'm sweating. I had to run back to my car. I made 3 trips.
Make a right turn on East.
It was at a bank right by the hospital, and she's like, do you have her other order too? And I'm like, no, I just have this one. And as I was pulling out, another car was pulling in because I like pulled off to the side. And I'm pretty sure that was the other Uber driver with their other order. I guess they're having like a Chick-fil-A party or something. I'm sweating, and nobody came to my car to help me. I had to run everything inside. I wasn't even able to put that it was delivered, and I got this next order. It's with the card, so I have to place the order when I get there, swipe the little Uber card, and I am paid the whole time I'm waiting for them to make the order. It's a sushi place, so that's probably gonna take a while. Normally I wouldn't accept this because I don't like sitting and waiting. All right, I just placed the order. They have tables blocking their door. I don't know if you can see, but you have to stand out there and order, and then they took the card. It went through. Sometimes when I use the Uber card for one of these orders, one time it didn't go through, and yeah, I just got out of the order and I said my card didn't go through. So I don't know what was up with that. This one, like, it went through no problem, and she said 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna chill in my car for 15 minutes. She just yelled Uber out the door, so I got the order, and I already took a picture.
Head to your drop off.
It is a leave at door, 4.4 miles, and it should take me 9 minutes to get there. Okay, I just dropped that order off. It was a leave at door. I was paid $6.51 base pay, so the rest of that $12 was tip. Y'all, when I was walking back to my car, I was close to their mailbox and I had to like walk past their mailbox, which had these big rocks around it, and I tripped over one and I almost fell. I really hope nobody's seen me. I almost fell. Thankfully, I mean, if I did sprain my ankle or something, I am covered with cover. And if I did end up in the hospital, I wouldn't have been able to drive for a while, and cover would have covered 80% of my, you know, my bills, my medical bills, and my missed income. They're not a car insurance, they're more of a driver insurance. They want to like make sure I'm still making the money I should be making, or at least most of it. Yeah, they cover 80% of your lost income. All right, I hope my blinker's not too annoying, but I'm in the turn lane heading back to the restaurant areas. But thank you so much to Cover for sponsoring this video. And if you click the link in the description, it's right at the top, you will get a free month of Cover, and you could see all the benefits they give and everything that they cover. So I almost ate it back there, and that made me think of it like, if I wasn't able, like if I did get hurt and I wasn't able to drive, like at least I am covered with Cover. So definitely check that out, you guys. Yeah, I'm heading back to that same IHOP area. There's lunch places around there too. It's 12:30 now. All right, 871, 24 minutes, 4.3 miles. I'm back. I parked at the IHOP by the Chick-fil-A. You know, that was an acorn. That was loud. And yeah, Pomodoro Pizza is right over there, like in the same plaza area. All right, I got the goods. I did wait like 2 minutes in there. 3.9 miles, and it will take me 12 minutes to get there. All right, I was paid $3.20 for that order. So the rest of that was a nice tip. So I just seen that message where it said I had a $23 tip on that huge Chick-fil-A order with all the drinks, y'all. Like, they definitely raised that tip. Let me see. Send thank you. So the base pay, because it was 1.6 miles away, the base pay was $2.55 for that order. And the estimated was $10.50. So they already had a $8 tip on there already, and they increased it to $23. I'm sure I already showed you in a screenshot, but yeah, right there, $23. I just got that. I just got the notification. I'm like, oh, okay, well that helped a lot on my orders today. I feel like it was so smooth, and even though I was going to accept low-paying orders that didn't have tips on them beforehand, I didn't receive any, so that was weird. I did have a $2.50 and a $3 trip, but they already had a tip on them when I got the order. I made out good today. So I'll put on the screen right here the total I've made today, and I started at 10, I ended at like a 1:15, so in about three-ish hours. Y'all remember I waited for 50 minutes for that first order. Like, that was a little crazy. I thought the whole day was gonna be like that, but no, I was pretty back to back. The most I waited was 20 minutes, which was okay because it was a pizza order. And yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this. Let me know if you want me to do this again, and I definitely will for the video's sake. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!